trees, both high and low. I love a fruit that's yellow, you know. I jump around so fast, so free. Who could this funny creature be? Think, think, think. Yes, it's a monkey. I'm very strong, I roar so loud. I walk with pride, I stand so proud. I live in the jungle, bold and grand. Who's the ruler of this land? Think, think, think. Yes, it's a lion. I'm big and round, I stomp the ground with ears that flap and steps that pound. A trunk I have so long, so neat. Who is this giant you can't beat? Think, think, think. Yes, it's an elephant. I wag my tail, I love to play. I guard the house both night and day. I bark aloud for all to see. Who could this faithful friend be? Think, think, think. Yes, it's a dog. I purr so soft, I like to sleep. I chase the yarn, I sometimes leap with gentle paws. I move with grace. Who is this furry little face? Think, think, think. Yes, it's a cat. I chew on grass the whole day through. I give you milk that's fresh and new. With gentle eyes I stand so still. Who could this be upon the hill? Think, think, think. Yes, it's a cat.